Hello everyone, this is Mark Leibovit from VRTrader.com. It's Wednesday, June 4th, and we're looking at Whole Foods Market on the VR sequential indicator screen. I hope all of you, by the way, had a chance to check in on the webinar that eSignal hosted this afternoon. It was a good way of introducing and launching the VR indicator on the eSignal platform. Well, Whole Foods, as you know, has been down for a while. It's been the subject of lower growth forecasts. Stock has declined, I'll say roughly from the 65.5 area all the way down to 37. Nice correction here, a little bit of a panic atmosphere in the stock. And we have a huge gap here to be filled. It's more obvious looking at the daily chart, which I'm putting up now. And this is when that lower growth estimate came out. So this was on May 7th. Stock's been trading sideways since. We have Jim Cramer on CNBC telling you that you should not be buying the stock because perhaps the other shoe will drop. Meanwhile, when it was sitting at its highs, Jim was interviewing the president of the company, the founders of the company, Mackey in particular, and sitting in one of their stores and gloating about how exciting Whole Foods was. And listen, I've been going to Whole Foods for years and years. Before that, Wild Oats. Before Wild Oats was acquired by Whole Foods. And in fact, I was going to create a little website, Whole Foods of America, because when I travel, I think I check every Whole Foods in every city so I can get the organic produce and things that I need and enjoy. But needless to say, we have a positive VR form today. It's still tradable in the aftermarket. Stochastic has turned up. I think it's a good shot here. There's no guarantee it can't go lower, but your stop is a tight one. It's around 37. If this VR is potentially what it could be, the stock could trade up into the low 40s, let's call it 42, and it will meet some resistance at this declining 50-day moving average, but ultimately this gap around the 48 area will be filled. But on a trading basis, I think it's a good risk reward here. It's a nice volume, came into the upside in trading today. So VRTrader.com is long here with a tight stop. It meets our short-term trading requirements. I like the fact that nobody likes the stock, including Jim Cramer at the moment. And let's see if the VR vindicates itself. Have a pleasant day. Thanks for checking in.